Surendra Sharma. I am recording this video for Sitecore Hackathon. My team name is SRS. For this year Sitecore Hackathon, there is no any such idea that is shared by Akshay. So you can bring your own idea, and the idea can be around maybe a CLI customization, or maybe AI integration, or maybe use of the Sitecore authoring API. So it can be anything. I always love the integrations where I love to integrate with the two different systems or multiple systems with each other. So I want to integrate Sitecore XM Cloud with my Microsoft Team notification channel. So the use case here is that as a project team, we generally don't go every time on the Sitecore side. We don't log in it much frequently if you are not the Sitecore developer. But if you are the part of team, or let's suppose you are the end client and you don't want to go again and again onto the Sitecore. So the best way is that you should get the notification directly on team channel. So entire project team can be added onto that team channel. And within that team channel, whenever some content author is adding a new item onto the Sitecore XM Cloud, it should get the notify on our team channels here. So uh, the technology that I'm using here is the Sitecore, the Azure function, and the team channel. So Azure function is act as a bridge between my Sitecore and the Microsoft team channels here. So let's suppose you are the content author and you log in into the Sitecore and you are adding the new item here. So this the addition of new item operation, this is triggering our webhook, which we have specified it into the Sitecore. And this webhook is calling the Azure function. Within the Azure function, we have write the code where it will call our team channels, and within that, and on this team channel, it will send the JSON payload, which we are displaying it onto the team channels as a card here. So this is the flow, and for that flow, I have already created a team channel. So this is my team channel here for the Sitecore notifications, and then I have my Azure function. So this is my Azure function here. So you can get this URL, and then you can log in into the Sitecore, and you can create a webhook here. And within this webhook, I can go there and I can specify that, all right, whenever some item is added, then you have to call that particular webhook. You have to also make it as enabled here, and you have to specify the URL, the Azure function URL. So once you do that and you enabled it, now you can go onto the Sitecore site anywhere in your content tree, and you can go there. You can add something here. Maybe I will say that 2025 hackathon, and I can go there and I can add it. So the moment you add it here, and let's go to our team channels here. So we should get here notifications in a couple of seconds. So you see here, I'm getting the same item 2025 hackathon is I'm getting it here. So that's how it's working. And I already uploaded my related code and the documentation onto my hackathon uh, code repo. That's name is SRS. So you can check it there. And thank you.